But if you're after raw killing power, meet the predatory ground beetles. Fast, with good eyesight and terrifying mouthparts, they wreak havoc wherever they're found. In Europe, we find an incredible predator, the cheetah of the beetle world. This is a tiger beetle, a killer sprinter. They live on dry, sandy ground where the grass cover is just right. Not too thick and with open patches, ideal for stalking and killing. Tiger beetles are fearsome hunters, designed for speed and accuracy, with long legs to chase prey and sharp eyes to locate it. They sprint in a series of short bursts, covering around 60 centimeters per second. That's like a racehorse galloping at 320